Что я...
What do you do in the evening? Okay.
I like watching serials.
Okay. And what time do you usually go to bed? Sleep? What time?
Yes.
What time, Dima?
Только я ложусь спать.
At?
I
go to bed at?
go to bed at
12, 11, what time?
2:00.
Oh, great. That's at 2 a.m., right? a.m. 2 a.m.
Ну да.
So, and the question is, often do you go on holiday? And where do you like going? Holiday is vacation when you don't work.
Okay. I don't have many holidays.
Yeah, okay.
I have 2 holidays on the week.
On a week, yeah, but I mean not like, it's not holiday, it's not day off.
Painterest? No, нет.
Painter.
Painter? No. Тогда I don't know.
No.
Painting.
Look, that's artist, from the word art. Art — это искусство, да? Art. Вот слово art, artist. Очень, кстати, tricky word, очень хитрое слово, yes? Okay.
Yes.
The next one. Feel sick. Sick people. Doctor, yes. Of course, this is doctor. Great job. Сережа, 1 point.
Number 11.
11. Okay.
Footballer.
Yes, that's foot. Yes, exactly. Footballer. Great job.
Вероника, короче... надо же на этом.
Давай, фаст. Время идет, тик-так.
Flat.
Квартира.
No.
Вот.
Ну, блин.
Вот я сейчас подумала.
You. Вот, you.
Sit down.
No.
I'm flat.
You beat your head. Дима, you beat your head.
Не, короче, хрень, все, не работает.
Yes. Сереж, ты слушай? I'm singer. Go to karaoke and what is I do? I'm say. Спрашивай, чем? Singer.
Голос дети.
Вот как называется на английском? Ну просто первое слово. Как на английском?
Ты правильно, да, ну как на English.
Да, как на английском.
Окей, skip.
Сейчас. Voice.
Yes!
Great. Yes.